Hello friends, this is Jetbrain here and welcome again to my channel Code with JV. In this video I am going to show you a Visual Studio Code tips which will make your life easy. You don't have to write too many things for writing code. So without wasting time, let's directly jump on to this subject. So basically, if you are coming from the Visual Studio or Jetbrain's IDE, and if you are using Resharper or any Jetbrain's IDE, you must have heard about the Postfix Templates. So basically what Postfix Templates do is that makes your life easy. It will provide you the ways to transform your expression into the for loops or any other expressions without jumping back to do the original for loop and you need to write all this for loop and other stuffs. So got confused? If you are confused, let's directly jump into the Visual Studio Code and I'll show you how to do that. So let me switch to my Visual Studio Code. So here you can see this is my Visual Studio Code and I am going to write an array of string and we are going to write something like Jelpage gamma. Now if I do array.for, here you can see there are options available and you can see there is a postfix template there. So if I press tab, it will write something like this. Same way what I can do is let's say I wanted to put one string in the console.log. So if I do like this and press tab, will do me this favor. So this all things can be possible with the Postfix templates, and for this TypeScript and JavaScript compilations of Postfix templates, I am using an extension called TS and JS Postfix completion. It is developed by Patalas. I don't know how to pronounce his first names, but he is a great guy and he provides lots of Postfix templates available for JavaScript. So basically here you can see there are lots of templates available. If you write .if, then it will provide you the if statement. If you write .else, then it will provide you the if and else both. So there are tons of there, undefined is there, fors we already seen in the demo, then for each, not, return. So lots of things are there, and basically you can make your life easy with this, and you don't need to write too many codes there and directly write a few lines of code and then convert it into the postfix completion. For this postfix templates, there are some other extensions also available for other languages also. So here you can see there is one for Golang from Yokoe. So they also provide similar kind of functionalities there. Then there is two for Python postfix completion, that is also there. Then there is a Golang postfix, and there is one for Dart also. So which all provide similar kind of functionalities, and you can make your life very easy. And here you can see they are also providing some custom templates where you can create your own template also. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then please do subscribe to my channel that is called Code with JV, and here is the URL https://bit.ly/codewithjv, and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.